Audio CD 1, track 28. Word focus. 1. Go wrong. Nothing will go wrong if you listen carefully to my instructions.
2. Spill. Tina spilled her milk on the sofa.
3. Bedsheet. The housekeeper changes the bed sheets every day.
4. Linen. Please put the linen on the top shelf in the closet.
5. Janitor. The janitor who cleans our school is about to retire.
6. Plumber. When my toilet gets clogged, I have to call a plumber.
7. Slip. I slipped on the ice and hurt my knees.
8. Tile. The tile in our bathroom needs to be replaced.
9. Electrician. The electrician fixed the lights in the kitchen.
10. Go out. When the wind started to blow, the candle went out.